Did you know that discomfort makes us more creative? Hi, I'm Veronica. I help teams connect and work more efficiently. I'm going to show you an exercise that will help you with attention to detail, hand-eye coordination, and memory. This is the first part of a 3-part video series called Learning Something New Candombe. I'm going to show you a rhythm and you're going to practice it once, maybe twice, and then you're going to do it for real. For this workshop, you need your hands and a table. Now I'm going to teach you a rhythm called Candombe. That was the easy part, piece of cake, right? So now I'm going to ask you to play all the way till the end without losing your focus. Pause the video here if you need more time. Well done! That was the easy part, so if you want something more challenging, you can go to our next video.